We are in Ottawa. Ottawa.
The capital.
Happy Liam. But 1 hour delay.
1 hour delay? Yes, indeed. Now we have to want to
Our scheduled 45-minute connection just got annihilated. Thank you, Via Rail. One of those trains there is our Montreal connection.
That's a new one. Oh wait, it might not be a new one.
All of ours are new ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
I checked them.
That means it's the one in front of us. It has to be. Oh, it might be that
It's
one.
either this one or that one or the one across.
I think it's that one.
We don't need a tunnel. Or maybe that one.
Question you waiting
So
for you.
that down or up?
Down. Sorry.
Down and up. Okay. Boom, boom, boom.
Should open. Yeah.
Yeah, it's open.
So we go down and up, right?
Yes.
That way?
Wait, I didn't get information which way.
Okay. I think it is that way. They said down and up. So probably.
Goodbye, Toronto train. Run. This way? Or that way? This way? Okay. I go up.
Sorry. Yes.
26. Well, because that thing is so long.
I just need your ticket.
Sure. Ottawa to Quebec.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Mind if I scan your ticket?
Yep.
Thanks, brother.